If you are also tired of searching for the Sora 2 invite code and you clicked on this video, then understand that your problem will be 100% solved. Because in this video, I will tell you 2 methods through which you can get unlimited Sora 2 invite code. And I swear, your problem will be completely solved. But for that, you must watch the video till the end without skipping. Otherwise, you will not understand what I explained in the video, and then you will comment that the code is invalid or not working. So let us start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, you have to open Chrome and search for Sora AI login. Then click on the first website. After that, you will see an interface like this. Here, it will ask you for an invite code, and this is something many people do not have, which is why they are unable to use Sora 2. But now, I will tell you how you can get the invite code. For that, open a new tab and search for OpenAI Discord. Then click on the first website and click on Accept Invite to join the OpenAI server. And yes, do not leave the video now, because if this trick does not work, I will tell you another one that works 100%. Now you will see many options there, and among them you have to click on the Sora 2 codes option. Once you click, a chat will open where people help each other by sharing codes. Now you just have to wait a little, and as soon as someone shares a new code, copy it immediately. For example, look here. A new code just appeared. I will copy it and paste it into Sora 2. Now I will click on Join New Sora. But as you can see, it says the code is invalid because someone has already used it. But do not worry at all. Go back to OpenAI, wait for a while, and as soon as a new code appears, copy it quickly and try logging in again. Now look, another new code appeared. I copied it, pasted it there, and when I clicked Join New Sora, you can see that I successfully entered Sora 2. Now for those whose trick still does not work, I will tell you another method that works 100% for everyone. And listen, do not skip even a second of the video from now on, otherwise your time will be completely wasted and you will not understand anything. That is why I am saying, do not skip the video. So now, let me tell you how to get the invite code using the second method. For that, you have to first open Grok AI, then in the search bar, type Find the working Sora 2 invite code. As soon as you search, Grok AI will suggest a valid code that you can use to enter Sora 2. But if it still says the code is invalid, then I will personally send you a Sora 2 invite code. For that, you just need to hype this video as much as possible, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Then comment invite code. But remember, the code will only be sent to you if you have subscribed.